Hello children, welcome to the class. Today we will learn about the second lesson, human body. So, human body is a machine which works non-stop. It is a machine which works non-stop. If our body stop working, it means we already died. Okay. So, it keeps on working till the death. The most important functions are carried out by different systems of the body. Some parts of human body are bones, muscles, brains, heart, lungs, stomach and kidney. They are the organs that help our body to function properly. So, let us know about bones now. Bones. A normal human body has 206 bones. Okay, ma? A healthy human body, an adult body, has 206 bones in total. Bones give support and strength to the body. What does bones help us in? They give support. They make us strong. They give the... If we don't have bones, our body will not stand like this. We cannot sit, we cannot stand. Our body will become a piece of flesh. ఓకే బోన్స్ లేకపోతే మన బాడీ ఇలా నిలబడదు అదే ఒక ముద్దలాగా అయిపోతుంది సో బోన్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ దే ప్రొటెక్ట్ ద డెలికేట్ పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ బాడీ బోన్స్ అండ్ జాయింట్స్ టుగెదర్ ఫార్మ్ ఏ skeleton. All bones together they form a skeleton. Okay children, skeleton means the outline of our bones. The photo of our bones is called a skeleton. The joining of two bones is called a joint. Two bones, wherever we have joining of two bones, it is called a joint. Some parts of human body do not have any bones. Some body parts do not have any bones. For example, tongue, lips and stomach. Okay children, the tongue, we don't have any bones. That's why it twists like anything. Okay, lips also we don't have any bones. And stomach, inside we have stomach now. That also do not have any bones. So see here children, the picture here, we have different bones. This is the skull. Head bone is called the skull. This is neck vertebrae. That is the neck bone is called the neck vertebrae. This is humerus. What here? Hand bone. Okay. This here what we have near the lungs, that is called the rib. Here we have the hip bone. This is femur bone where we have near the legs. And this is tibiae. This is the legs, below legs. Okay children. Next we have muscles. Okay, muscles will be. Muscles, they live under our skin. Where do they stay? They are below our skin. Muscles are below our skin. There are about 600 muscles in our body. How many are there? 600 muscles. There are 600 muscles in our body. Muscles help us to walk, swim, run, jump, throw, lift and ride, etc. Muscles are fixed to the bones. Muscles, they are fixed to the bones. See here children, you just see this figure. Here you see, these are the brown part is the muscles and this white part are the bones. Muscles they attach to the bones. They hold tight the bones. That is, the muscles take support of the bones to stand there. So muscles help us to walk, swim, run, jump, throw, lift and ride. Okay, bones are moved only by the muscles. If we give good exercise to the muscles, they become stronger and bigger. The biggest muscle in the human body is the buttock. Muscles are there in the heart, stomach and lungs. Muscles are there everywhere. Okay. And they make the bones to move. Muscles only help the bones to move. Important parts of our body, and more important parts of our body are brain. Brain. How do you remember the way of your friend's house? Why do your eyes blink without you ever thinking about? Where do dreams come from? Your brain is in charge of these things and a lot more. Have you ever thought, how do you remember your friend's house? Anything what you want to how do you remember anything? When I am teaching anything, how do you remember? How do you close your eyes and open without saying? We never say you to close and open, right? We never say you to breathe, but you do. And how do you get dreams? This is all because of the brain. Brain functions non-stop. It functions until the death of a body. The brain, it is in charge of our body. Every organ is supervised by the brain. The brain tells them to function. So there are many parts in the brain which are, let me write, cerebrum, brainstem. Okay, ma. Pituitary gland, and we have hypothalamus. Okay, ma. These are the 5 important parts of the brain. These all together work for the brain to function properly. Next, heart. Heart is the most important organ of our body. The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. It is placed inside the chest at left side. Heart beats 72 times a minute. It works when we sleep also. The heart is the most important part because it pumps the blood. Pumps the blood. What does the heart do? It pumps the blood to all parts of the body. If blood is there only, we can function. Okay. Blood is the most important part of our body. It is pumped by the heart. Okay. It is placed in the left side of the chest. It is placed in the left side of the chest, beta. Children, this is the left side, na? Here it is placed. Here it will be there, heart. Okay, and heart beats for 72 times a minute. Means in 1 minute it beats for 72 times. Okay. It works when we sleep also. Heart also, it does not take any rest. It continuously works. And lungs. Next we will learn about lungs. There are 2 lungs in our body. How many lungs are there? 2 lungs. There are 2 lungs in our body. The lungs are placed inside the chest. The lung on the left side is a bit smaller than the one on the right side, because it has to make room for our heart to fit in our chest too. We use our lungs to breathe in and out. What is the function of the lungs? We breathe through lungs. Okay. It helps us to breathe. And we have 2 lungs, ma. One is in the right side and one is in the left side. Okay, in the chest. Right side is a little bigger than the one in the left side, because we have heart here, na? So this one will be a little smaller. And lungs help us to breathe. Only with the help of lungs we can breathe in and out the air. Okay. And then now we will know about stomach. It helps in the digestion. It helps in the digestion of the food we eat. The stomach is a muscular organ located on the left side of the upper abdomen. The stomach food receives from the esophagus. So, stomach helps us to digest our food, children. Stomach helps us to digest our food. And now kidneys. We have two kidneys. We have two kidneys. We have two kidneys in our body. The kidneys helps us to send the waste of our body. The kidneys are a pair of organs located in the back of the abdomen. Each kidney is about 4 or 5 inches long, about the size of a fist. The kidney functions are to filter the body. Kidney, what does it do? It filters the waste from our in our body. Okay, kidney helps us to filter the waste from our body and helps to remove the waste from our body. So children, we'll continue the class lesson in the next class. So what you have to do is write this for classwork and write this for homework also for 2 times. Okay children, this only you write for homework 2 times. Okay ma? Copy this children. And homework, write the same thing for 2 times ma. Okay children, write the same thing for homework. Okay, meet you in the next class. Bye.